General science quiz on clothes we wear. First, we will see the importance of clothes. Clothes can insulate against cold or hot conditions, and they can provide a hygienic barrier, keeping infectious and toxic materials away from the body. We wear cloth for protection. Cloth provides physical safeguards to the body, cloth for identification, establishing who someone is or what they do. Question 1. The fiber that we obtain from sheep is The correct answer is option C. Wool. Good job. Question 2. Silkworm grows on underscore leaves. The correct answer is option A. Mulberry. Question 3. Which one of the following should we always keep with us? The correct answer is option A. Handkerchief. Question 4. Match the pairs. Column A. Jute, silkworm, leather, raincoat. Column B. Animal skin, keep us dry in rain, plant, silk clothes. The correct answer is jute, plant, silkworm, silk clothes, leather, animal skin, raincoat, keep us dry in rain. Question 5. Woolen clothes underscore. The correct answer is option B. Keep us warm. Good going, kids. Question 6. Jute fiber is used to make. The correct answer is option D, all. A, B, C. Question 7. Jack is a police officer and he usually wears a. The correct answer is option C. Uniform. Good going. Question 8. Ancient man used to wear underscore as their clothes. The correct answer is option C. Both A and B. Well done. Question 9. Which of the following animals have fur on their body? The correct answer is option D. Polar bear. Question 10. Who among the following does not wear any uniform? The correct answer is option D. Housewife.